Today we're going to learn the keys to getting a great window cleaning, no matter who does it or how it gets done. Today I'm with Paul from Blue Ocean Window Cleaning at a beautiful home. And Paul, what are the ways you approach window cleaning that may be different from others that really get a great outcome?
Well, I think probably one of the main things is the whole matter of having the right equipment when you approach a window. If you go up there with inexpensive equipment and a lack of knowledge, you can end up with a very poor finished product. One of the things I think about when you're approaching a window is be prepared to be very thorough about it. Wipe the frames, wipe the sills, take a second and third look to see if there's a smear or a streak that's been missed.
So detail orientation is huge.
Very detail oriented, kind of like I tell people all the time, when we get done, it's like the white glove treatment, we're not afraid.
Now, also with the tools of the trade, I want to get into that because it's not Windex and a squeegee that you guys are using or a normal one. What are the tools of the trade?
Not at all. Typically when we approach a window, we got a full complement of gear, several squeegee sizes, several washer sizes, razor blades, frequently a product called Magic Eraser, which is just a little item to do extra cleaning, a razor blade if you can safely use it as a helpful tool, towels clearly for the edge work, wiping up, watching, all that kind of thing.
Now some of the things like razor blades and those things, that's not for an amateur DIY person to be trying because they could damage things, correct?
Absolutely, yeah. You get the wrong kind of glass or maybe a window that's tinted, has film on it, you run a high risk of scratching it and doing damage. And again, this is where the bucket Bob comes in. They may not have the resources, the insurances, etc., so that if they break something or scratch something, they just say, well, I'm sorry.
So the real advice here is that there's ways to get great window cleaning. To do it yourself takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, some money and the right tools. It's going to be cheaper, easier, and better to call somebody like you who's a professional.
Absolutely. I mean, unless you want to, if you want to climb up on the roof here with the ladder, you can do that.
Well, I'm not going to do that. I don't recommend you do that. What I recommend you do is call Paul at Blue Ocean Window Cleaning. You can find him at ApprovedHomePros.com because doing it yourself, it's not all it's cracked up to be. You're going to have much better results and you'll see clearly with Blue Ocean. Do you enjoy that video? Please take a moment to subscribe. When you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips. It's all great information that covers everything you need to know for your home. So hit that subscribe button below and check out more videos.